SkyMaster, intelligent manufacturing for future. SkyMaster, rooted in China. Specialized in designing and manufacturing high-quality CNC machine tools with global service, skilled in technology towards high-end. Relying on a strong alliance with German Kraft, opened a new chapter in the intelligent manufacturing industry. Our principles. The core of intelligent industry is human resources. Established an international R&D team, adopted the advanced technology resources from Germany, formed two major R&D centers within the group and Germany. SkyMaster Kraft has mastered the leading finite element analysis functions, motion simulation, analysis, and verification functions. Turn every breakthrough idea into reality. Every detail, every action. Strive for perfection. Sheet metal workshop. Heat treatment workshop. Site office. From sheet metal, heat treatment, precision machining, surface treatment, and other manufacturing links, the entire process is self-controlled. Deep integration of informatization and industrialization makes the manufacturing process more intelligent, ensuring that all indicators from components to parts and overall are optimal. Every detail, every operation strives for perfection, after countless debugging, just to pursue a satisfactory result. Processing. Double column machining center imported 5-phase machining center. Our process is as efficient and excellent as the user experience provided to customers. We have established a rigorous testing system to control various aspects of performance, such as accuracy and stability. The high-quality standards, such as CE, ISO, is built in order to meet the customer's high-accuracy machining requirement. This is SkyMaster Kraft, determined to cooperate with our partners to open a new era of future manufacturing. What can a good machine tool bring us? VF High-Speed Series, specialized in processing high-precision molds and high-speed processing of non-ferrous metal parts. VM Double Column Series is not only efficient and reliable. VU 5-Axis Series to solve high-precision machining of multi-dimensional curved surfaces for customers. UM Series is suitable for processing large and medium-sized molds and complex curved parts. The success of an enterprise is inseparable from the accumulation of culture. SkyMaster regards employees as the company's greatest wealth and provides the greatest development space for everyone through comprehensive skill and comprehensive welfare training. SkyMaster Kraft not only provide machine tools, but more importantly, provide high-quality solutions for the global manufacturing industry. SkyMaster, intelligent manufacturing for future.